Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want more important problem of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of the website is also available in the description box of this video. So how we will get the questions? See, you have to visit education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academics adda. In academics adda, you need to select math important questions. One more thing, all the questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as math important questions. Okay friends, coming back to the given problem, see what is given here. We have to solve the equation and enter its solution set. Okay, so this equation is given x minus 5 raised to the power 1 by 3 plus 10 equal to 6. So how we can solve this equation? See, we need to find the value of x. Okay, so first we need to simplify this. So what we will do, see, if we subtract 10 from both sides, we will get x minus 5 raised to the power 1 by 3 equal to 6 minus 10, that is minus 4. Okay, now raising both sides to the power 3, we can remove this power 1 by 3 from left side. Okay, so we will get x minus 5 equal to minus 4 raised to the power 3. Now we can see that cube root is cleared on the left side. Okay, so we will get x minus 5 equal to minus 64, or adding 5 on both sides, we will get x minus 5 plus 5 equal to minus 64 plus 5. Okay, we have added 5 to remove this minus 5. Okay, therefore x will be equal to minus 59. Hence solution is x equal to minus 59. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.